We're back, playing Sonic 3. I'm on the ice cap zone. Whee! Sonic snowboarding! It's Sonic snowboarding! Just like in Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Winter Games. Whee! Whee! That was fun. Oh, come on, get up there. Oh, there you go. This is the very first winter stage in every Sonic game. By the way, in case you didn't know. Whoa! There we go. Whoa! Spring! Whoa! Whoa! Where'd you come from? Whoa! That was so retarded. Whoa! There we go. I didn't make the same mistake I did before. I'm losing my mind today. Whoa! 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 Where'd you come from? Go up the thingy. Oh god, not this part. Ah! I made it. Ha, Tails got frozen. Whoa! That was so close. No! No! Come on! Wait, Wait, I don't think I had to start the entire thing over. I'm good. I would have killed you. I think I'm on the boss now. Yep. I think that was lucky. I don't think you should try that at home. Oh, I did it twice already. Maybe you should try it at home. Whoa! die. Sonic got through Act 1. Now we're in the second part of the ice cap zone. Aww. Oh well. Whoa! Whoa! Aww. Wee! Going down to loop-de-loops and tunnels and stuff. Whoa! Trampoline! Whoa! Yikes! Yikes! Whoa! Haha! 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 Hey, how do I do that? If it was like if it was a glitch or something. Oh god! Am I stuck? Oh god, there's a tunnel. Oh god! Whoa! Whoa! I'm freaking out today. As I've said several times before. Whoa! Am I the boss already? That was quick. Oh god, I hate this boss. Oh, I got frozen already. I may have to do the ice cap zone over. Oh! Thank God. I didn't completely lose. Oh no. No, 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 no! 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 I lost my ring! No! No! That's the second time! It's the second time that happened! I need to go off screen so I can get to the boss again. I'm back at the boss. I'll be facing him with 4 lives this time. Maybe I'll do it. Never. Oh no. Oh, that was weird. Oh, thanks, Tails. You're letting me out of the ice. Oh god. And this time, Tails couldn't help me. There we go. Now you died. Finally! Sonic got through Act 2. This is 94 Supersonic signing off.